Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix missing camera driver on your Windows 11. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, simply inside the search menu, type in Device Manager or right click on this Windows button and then simply click on Device Manager right over here. Then inside here, simply tap on your PC name and just like that inside here, you will be able to find an option that says Action. Tap onto it. Then tap on Scan for hardware changes. Wait for a few seconds and check if the camera appears under Camera section. If the camera is still missing, you can click on Action button one more time. Then tap on Add Legacy Hardware. Now tap on Next. Then choose Search for and install the hardware automatically. After that, simply tap on Next again. And just like that, from the list, select Cameras and then select Next. And see if you see Webcam appear. If it does, select it and complete the installation. If that does not work for you, you can simply tap on View button, then tap on Show Hidden Devices. Check again to see if your webcam appears in the list. If your camera still isn't working, you can close Device Manager and then check for Windows Update. Right-click on the Windows, then select Settings. Inside Settings, simply search for Windows Update. If there's any update available, simply install it. Now, if the issue still isn't fixed, the next step is to manually install a webcam driver. Open up your web browser, and then in the search bar, you need to go ahead and simply type your computer or laptop model name, followed by webcam driver. Open your official manufacturer website and search for your exact model. Then go to Drivers or Support section and download and install the webcam driver provided for your PC. You can simply restart your computer, and after restarting, your camera should now detect and start working properly. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.